Hi, everyone. My name is Prandaraj, and I am a co-founder at Data Elevates. In this video, we will be going over how to determine whether your data tools are adequately fitting your organization's needs. We recommend this guide to anyone who is considering changing their data tools, wanting to optimize what they already have, or just looking to better articulate their needs and challenges with their teams. Our team has developed an easy-to-use template to help guide you forward. In this video, we will teach you how to first get a bird's eye view of your data tools by defining your data architecture and then assessing each one of these tools based on the provided fit criteria. If any of the terms used in this video are unfamiliar to you, you can always refer to the definitions on the Read First tab of the template. Now, when completing the template, we will start with the Data Architecture tab. Here, you'll need to first identify which tools your organization uses for data collection, data storage, and analysis and visualization, which you'll write in columns A, D, and I, respectively. You can see examples of the types of tools in row 6. A key point to note is that oftentimes organizations will have the same tool listed in multiple columns within their architecture. This is completely fine. A good example of this is Excel, which could be used in any of these areas, but also potentially all of them. As you go through the columns of the tab, try to think of the flow of data, as in which tools are used to collect data, then where is the data then stored? To what tools are used to analyze and potentially visualize insights from that stored data? So after putting together your list, you are now ready to fill out the rest of the columns in the tab, starting with the management level columns, which are drop-downs associated with each function of the data architecture. The idea here is to document the level in which your organization manages the tool. The level of management can be thought of as a scale going from self-managed to software as a service or SaaS. Again, you can see more detailed information of these management levels on the Read First tab. Once that is complete, you will then document how the different tools connect. Think of this step like a mapping exercise. You will first identify which data storage tools connect to the data collection tools, and then which analysis and visualization tools connect to data storage. To make it simple, being manually connected means the connection requires the user to do something, while automatic connections are handled by the tools themselves. For example, Tableau can automatically connect to Excel, so visualizations can be updated automatically based on adjustments in Excel's without any user interactions once the connection is made. Now, once you have completed the data architecture tab, you will now move to the fit assessment tab. In this tab, you will see the tool and tool function columns already populated with your information from the previous tab. Take a moment to look at and understand the fit criteria listed in row 5. You will then rate how well you feel the tool fits your organization's needs in regards to each criteria, using a rating of 1 to 5. For example, for the fit criteria of people, you should ask yourself, is the tool being used consistently by the team? Do they find this tool useful and practical? If, in fact, the tool is being regularly used by your team with limited problems, then you could rate this tool as a 4 or even a 5. Or if you're regularly chasing team members to use a tool and receiving complaints, then you may want to rate the tool as a 2 or 1. We have provided a Likert scale in the template to assist your rating considerations. So after you have completed the assessment for all the fit criteria, you will now boil things down to identify your primary and secondary challenges in columns K and L. These are typically the fit criteria that have the lowest score and pose the largest pain points for your teams and projects. Finally, in column M, you can capture notes on what you believe to be the source of these challenges. For example, is the source of the challenges human or technology made? How so? Once the last step is completed, you will have visualized your organization's data architecture and assessed each tool within it by the fit criteria. You will then have described those key challenges, allowing you to determine whether those challenges are tool-based or user-based. From all of this, you should be ready to begin thinking with your team on a plan of action to either improve utilization of your tools or start considering new tools to better meet your needs. Thank you.